Just in, Supreme Court Justice signs off on Obama's removal. Barack Hussein Obama has been narrowly dodging impeachment ever since he first took office 7 long years ago. Now, however, it looks like his luck has finally run out. There's a bombshell of a rumor going around right now that Chief Justice John Roberts has signed off on Interpol to have Obama removed from office for multiple counts of treason. The charges are to include declaring war without consent of Congress, Second Amendment infringements, and abuse of the Posse Comitatus Act during the Bundy land dispute. When Obama was sworn into office, he took an oath to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States of America. However, according to the leaked document, he's guilty of the following crimes. Article 1, Sect. 1.1. Used executive privilege in regards to Fast and Furious gun-running scandal. When government misconduct is the concern, executive privilege is negated. 2. Issued 23 executive orders on gun control, infringement of the Second Amendment. 3. Executive order bypassing Congress on immigration, Article 1, Section 1, all legislative power held by Congress. 4. NDAA, Section 1021. Due process rights negated, violation of 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th Amendments. White House, War on Terrorism, is over Thursday, August 6, 2009. 5. Executive Order 13,603 NDRP, government can seize anything. 6. Executive Order 13,524 gives Interpol jurisdiction on American soil beyond law enforcement agencies, including the FBI. 7. Executive Order 13,636 Infrastructure Cybersecurity, bypassing Congress violations, Article 1, Section 1, Art. 4 Sect. 4.8. Signed into law the establishment of no free speech /google.com, plus Google Translate X zones, non-compliance is a felony. 9. Attempt to tax political contributions first. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Article 1, Section 7. All bills for raising revenue shall originate in the House of Representatives, but the Senate may propose or concur with amendments as on other bills. Violations, First Amendment, Art. 1 Sect. 710. Defense of Marriage Act DOMA, Law, Obama directed DOJ, Department of Justice, to ignore the Constitution and separation of powers and not enforce the law. Violations, Article 3. Section 3. Treason against the United States shall consist only in levying war against them, or in adhering to their enemies, giving them aid and comfort. No person shall be convicted of treason unless on the testimony of 2 witnesses to the same overt act, or on confession in open court. The Congress shall have power to declare the punishment of treason, but no attainder of treason shall work corruption of blood, or forfeiture except during the life of the person attainted. White House, War on Terrorism, is over Thursday, August 6, 2009. 11. Drone strikes on American citizens. 5th Amendment due process rights negated. Article 2, Section 2. The President shall be Commander-in-Chief of the Army and Navy of the United States, and of the militia of the several states, when called into the actual service of the United States. He may require the opinion, in writing, of the principal officer in each of the executive departments, upon any subject relating to the duties of their respective offices. And he shall have power to grant reprieves and pardons for offenses against the United States, except in cases of impeachment. The Trading with the Enemy Act, Public Law 65 to 91, 65th Congress. Session I, Chapters 105, 106, October 6, 1917, 18 U.S.C. 241 Sec. 241 violations, Art. 2 Sect.2, Fifth Amendment, 18 U.S.C. 241 Sec. 241-12. Bypassed Congress and gave EPA power to advance cap-and-trade Article 1 Section 1. All legislative powers herein granted shall be vested in a Congress of the United States, which shall consist of a Senate and House of Representatives. Violations, Art. 1 Sect. 113. Attempt for graphic tobacco warnings, under appeal, Art. 1 Sect. 8 Section 8. The Congress shall have power to lay and collect taxes, duties, imposts and excises, to pay the debts and provide for the common defense and general welfare of the United States, but all duties, imposts and excises shall be uniform throughout the United States. First Amendment. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Violations. First Amendment. Art. 1 Sect. 8 via user politics today.